Hello, it's been a while, but today I'm just gonna show y'all how I make my healthy spaghetti. So let's just get right into it. Tear it up.
Hello, Zucchini.
Look how cute these are. So pretty much, this is like a really lazy day for me. Like I'm really trying right now to be. Girl, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. So yeah, this is like a pretty lazy day for me. I'm trying to eat healthy, but as you can see from how I look, I'm feeling lazy today. Most of the time when I make pasta, I use turkey, but today we're using this beef. Gordon Ramsay, do not come for me because I'm not a chef. I try my hardest. Thanks for tuning in. I will see y'all next time.